This video I'll show you how to use HelloTalk app, learning language app. I will open the app. HelloTalk app, it is absolutely the best app right now to use in the world if you want to learn language, any language you want. This is absolutely number one. So we have the app, we are inside the app, and we have the chat section, which is HelloTalk. We have the chat section from here, all the people I have conversation with before, and we have all the courses right here. I tap all the courses. If you want to learn about English, tap on English language and you will see all the courses about English. You can see the courses and learn. And we have the classes. If you want to book a tutor, 1-to-1 person, right here, click there. And we have the play option as well. If I tap on it, you can play the game words about time, for example, English words about time. As you see from here, tap on study now to play the game and learn English at the same time. And you can preview or review your progress. Click back, and if you want to translate directly from here, very easy to do. And we have the English AI, which is English AI speaker. Tap to speak from here, and you can have a conversation with AI person. And tap on more, and from here we have AI grammar. If you want to correct your grammar, very easy to do. And notepad as well. If you want to correct a sentence as well, tap on message to correct a certain sentence you have. And we have short drama, I will tell you later. And we have connect section. Connect section, you will find the people from here you want to have conversation with and talk with and learn languages with, and from all the world. And if you want English or Chinese or add a certain language, Japanese for example, people you want only. We have the serious learners, if you want people who are serious about learning languages. And we have nearby, the people who are nearby you, if you want people very close to your house or the city as well, as you see. And the certain gender, for example female or male. And paid practice, we don't need this, so I will click back and I will tap on the moment section. The moments section, it is posts. If you want to post a text or tweet, the same, or a picture with a tweet like this, as you see this person with this girl called Noor, she have a picture with a tweet right here. Very easy to do. Just tap on the pen icon on the right top corner and add text to your moment, and add a picture. If you want certain picture from here to add, tap on post on the right top corner. This is very easy to do. And we have the boost icon on the left top corner, almost click on it. And if you want to boost your moment, which is your post, if you want to make a lot of people see your post, you can pay a certain amount of money. It's very cheap amount to boost your post and reach more people to see your posts. And we have profile boost, and this is absolutely genius. This is the best. Will boost your profile, and your profile will reach a lot of people, and the people will send you messages automatically. You don't need to send them messages manually, and automatically a lot of people will have conversation with, and they have the first step with you to start the conversation. And this is my favorite, so I will click back, and I have the voice room section. The voice room section, it is we have three options. The voice option, you can join voice room chats from here. I will join the first one. As you see from here, you can have a chat, voice chat with other people right here. So I will leave on the three dots on the right top corner and tap on this icon to leave the room. And if you want only English rooms, tap on English language or Arabic or any language you want. And if you need to create a room for you and other people, tap on the mic option on the right top corner. And from here, create a room, insert your title and the language and the mood, the topic. The room is a private or complete the other things, and share 2 moments if you want from here. Or if you want to room post, tap on start voice room. This is very easy to do. And we have the live option. The live option, if you want to create a live, it's like in TikTok when you have a live a video showing your face or your picture only or whatever. So for example, I will tap on this girl right here. She have a live video, as you see, and you can do a live like her. So I will leave the live on the three dots on the right top corner and leave. And we have the, and you can choose English or Arabic or any language. And we have the drama option. The drama option is like short video, a short story. They create for you to learn any language you want. So for example, I will tap Driven to Love, this short story, and they have 59 episodes, short episodes, as you see. And click back, and this is what it is about. And we have the last section, which is me section, which is our profile. And this is your profile. Tap on your profile, and from here you can scroll down to change your profile picture or your name or your self introduction, and the language, the native. I am Arabic native and I want to learn English. Scroll down on your interest, add your interest and my occupation and your username, and tap on preview from here to see your profile, how it is look like. And we have our moments. I have 8 moments I post before, and that's it basically. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.